How to use private DNS on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable it for a more secure and encrypted connection. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Connections. After that, tap More Connection Settings. At this point, tap Private DNS. From here, you'll see a few options, usually Off, Automatic, and Private DNS Provider Hostname. Select Private DNS Provider Hostname if you want to manually enter a specific provider. Following this, type in the hostname of the DNS provider you want to use, like one from Cloudflare or Google, then tap Save. After that, your device will now route DNS requests through that encrypted provider instead of your default network DNS. Keep in mind that if you're not sure which provider to use, leaving it on automatic still gives you encrypted DNS without needing to enter anything manually. That's how you use private DNS on Android. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.